All right, we money. So this one we're gonna do one of my favorite pool exercises. We're gonna emphasize a lot on the lats, rear delts, run boys, traps, you know, the upper back as well. Forearms, and we're gonna do triceps. Basically, I like to explain each muscle, but we're gonna do upper body joint today. And we're gonna get these side delts. We gotta grow these delts. This is vital for you to get them side delts and get that wide back so you get that good V taper. So I already warmed up a little bit. Already got like a set or two in just to warm up. But we're gonna do 10 sets today. 10 sets. We ain't gonna be here too long. We'll stay for a good time. At the most, trying to stay here today, no longer than about 40 minutes. That's the goal. No longer than 40 minutes. That's the goal. You guys be pacing yourself if you're working out with me tonight. Or if not, when you rewinding this, just remind yourself that you want to be able to write down these sets and reps and the rest time and be able to do this within 40 minutes. That's the goal. Okay, always have a goal when you're doing a workout, okay? Hey, who that be? Hey, all right. Shout out to y'all. Appreciate y'all. Let's see. Shout out to Saint. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, hey, yo, in the chat, let me know where y'all watching from, man. Let me know where y'all watching from. Let me know y'all watching. We in Texas. Give me that salute and let me know where y'all watching from. All right. So go ahead and start it up. What we're gonna do is, it is a pull, push, and then we're gonna do lats. Okay. So we're gonna pull ups. You're gonna come down and do dips, and then on the second set we're gonna do behind the neck pulls, and then do dips, and then we're gonna get down and go over to the dumbbells, and we're gonna get some side laterals. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do today, all right? Let's go ahead and get this work. Y'all got anything to say before we go ahead and start this joint up? Mr. Saint, North Carolina in the building. A guy there, he in the Army, so he's doing his thing. Appreciate your service. Salute to you, boss. Appreciate you for your service, Mr. Saint. All right, so we're going to start it up. Let's go ahead and get it. We want to stay between 7 and 10. 7 and 10 pulls. 7 to 10 pulls. Feel good. Keep it good tension on those lats. We want to be able to not just always focus on going all the way down, all the way up. But we want to always keep constant tension on those lats, okay? That's what we need. Constant tension on the lats. Or pushing through. Look good, look good, look good. So in between each exercise, you'll see. So I can move this over just a little bit. That look good. All right, so in between each exercise, you want to get maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Get your breath together, but you don't have to sit around for so long. You don't want to sit around too long because you want to keep the adrenaline going, keep the pump going, keep breaking down the fibers so you can rest up, grow again, you feel me? All right, so then we're going to do, on the second pulls, you're going to switch it up. You just want to do a variation that's different from traditional pulls. So if you want to do behind the neck, if you want to do the handlebar joints with your thumbs over, or you can do chin-ups. Just switch up the variation on the second round of pull-ups. That makes sense? All right, so I'm gonna do behind the neck this time. May switch it up next time, okay? All depends. We want to keep changing up. When you're doing pull-ups, we're gonna switch it up sometimes. You don't always want to do the same pull-up. You want to, change it up sometimes. Switch it up, do here, do behind the neck, do front, do chin-ups, do commandos. Switch it up when you're out doing calisthenics. Just don't do all the time, regular pull-ups. Switch it up sometime, man. You gotta switch it up. Keep your body guessing. With the dips, you can do the same thing. Switch it up on the dips. Move the arms a little bit. Move your legs a little bit. You pushing through? Look good. Give me that like as y'all coming through, man. 16 likes. Appreciate y'all. Salute. So, as you see, we did pull, dips, behind the neck pulls, then dips. Now, that's 40 right there, as you see. Back forward, back forward. So now what you want to do is get you some dumbbells. You can get some side laterals. So, all depends. With the side laterals, I love to, most time I'm doing side laterals, I'm sitting down. But since we're doing a lot today, we're gonna stand up with it. What you wanna do is, you wanna make it seem like with the side laterals, like you're pouring something out, okay? Who we got on here? Salute Saint, do you typically go to failure or no? It depends. What's exercise, Mr. Saint? Do you mean all exercises or just one particular? Let me know, Mr. Saint. Appreciate, salute you for that super chat, man. You really showing out today and it means a lot to me, real talk. So you want to act like you pouring something out. Every single time, it's gonna make you have more emphasis on your side delts. Also, as you see, as I'm growing the handling the dumbbell, I'm at the end. I'm at right here. I'm not in the middle, but I'm holding it so it's hanging down. So it's already, I'm pouring. It says, yeah, I just meant in general. Let me finish this set. I'm gonna answer that real quick. Hold on a second. So you want to be able to have the elbows are going up first, and then the dumbbells are coming behind, okay? I don't want to see you flapping to help the dumbbells up first, no. So you want to come here, elbows up first, down. The whole key is put more tension on your side delts as much as possible. Look good, and you up. Little swing sometimes is good, but don't go crazy with the swing. Little bit is good. Look good. So Mr. Saint asks, do I go failure on all my workouts? I mean exercises. It's a time and a place, Mr. Saint. So some days I do, some days I don't. It all depends on how your body's feeling. Sometimes you wanna drive that Hemi, that like the young boy like to drive that little Charger. You know, some days you can run that engine and do 100 miles per hour. Some days you don't want to run that engine too much because you don't put too much wear and tear. It's the same way with your body, okay? Now it's okay sometimes to overtrain. Sometimes when you're working out in certain sessions, that's cool. I'm all for overtraining sometimes. Shout out to Mike, Rashid, and shout out to the OG, you know, Superman of Compton. Y'all know who he is. He believes in not having no such thing as overtraining. I'm the same way, but every once in a while, I'm gonna set it, I'm gonna relax a little bit. I'm gonna do 10 reps today on certain exercises. I may do 15. Switch it up. Keep your body guessing, because when you do change up and do different type of tempos, you gotta be able to change up the, what you seeing, Teddy? Hey, Teddy, see something? I don't know what he see. But just switch it up. Your body, keep your body guessing. If you do failure all the time, your body's gonna recognize you're doing it. Every once in a while, slow down the tempo. And sometimes you do a tempo of going the eccentric, doing 5 seconds, and the eccentric going all the way down and doing 5 seconds. Maybe going slow, up and down, switching up the rest times. It all depends, boss. It all depends, all depends. Great question though. Salute, we got 21 likes, man. Appreciate everybody. E-Man, what's good, boss? Hey, E-Man, he said, with those lateral, Saint Man said, with those lateral raises, are you leading with your elbow? Yes, sir, Mr. Saint. E-Man, I'm 15. Can I build a good physique during doing 75 dips, 125 push-ups, 125? Yeah. How many rounds you doing? Are you doing that every day, or how many days you doing that, E-Man? Yo, Smooth, I tried to email you for the food plan and never went through. I think you have too many emails. Hey, Smooth, email me again. Hey, Taj, no, put your email in there and I'm gonna email you. I gotta see which one. Sometimes I do get full with the emails and I apologize. Hit me up again, Mr. Smooth. If you in here, give me a salute. Let's see. Teddy saw a ghost. You wild, Mr. Saint. He probably did. That man is wild dude. Is it all about the pump or is it about tearing the muscle? It's both. It's both. All right, let's go and get to the next set. In between sets, you want to be able to do maybe a minute to a minute and a half. I did like almost 2 minutes because we're talking, but you want to be able to do like a minute to a minute and a half and keep on going.